Turkey does it again. Despite the recent earthquake assistance and growing engagement with Ankara, Turkey sided with its all-weather ally Pakistan post Operation Sindoor. Erdogan's stand has created a massive outrage in India.
Dün Başbakan Şahbaz Şerif'le
Yesterday, we had an important phone call with Pakistan's Prime Minister. We find Pakistan's proposal for an international investigation into the heinous terrorist attack in Jammu and Kashmir valuable. Despite those pouring fuel on the fire, we as Turkey are making every effort to reduce tensions and open channels of dialogue before events reach a point of no return.
noktaya varmadan tansiyonun düşürülmesi
Indians have called for boycotting travel to Turkey and Azerbaijan, recent popular tourist spots for Indians. Anger grew over Turkey's support to Pakistan as Indian Army revealed that Turkey had sent Turkish-made drones to Pakistan.
The possible purpose of these large-scale aerial intrusions were to test the AD systems and gather intelligence. Forensic examination of the drone debris is being undertaken. Preliminary reports suggest them to be of Aziz Guard Songa drone of Turkey.
Latest reports have confirmed the death of at least 2 Turkish drone operators in Indian airstrikes on Pakistan.
You can see some quadcopters and you can see one odd Sonka drone hanging by the wire. All these have been brought down by our trained crew and air defense systems.
The YIHA drones are of Turkish origin.
Travel agencies have paused booking to these countries, citing national sentiments.
It is our duty to put out the travel cautionary note to all our users to say that please go to neutral destinations and not Turkey and Azerbaijan. And the results are boycott Turkey is trending online right now. The results are many other travel agents have followed our suit. And the results are 22% bookings are cancelled by passengers themselves.
Indians feel that Turkey has forgotten Operation Dost when India helped the country during the 2023 earthquake. Even the opposition has come out against Turkey's support and slammed them for supplying arms to Pakistan. India and Turkey have trade ties. In 2024 and 25, India's exports to Turkey stood at $5.2 billion, which was down from $6.65 billion in 2023 and 24. This accounts for less than 1.5% of India's total exports. Imports from Turkey were worth $2.84 billion in 2024 and 25, compared to $3.78 billion in 2023 and 24, just 0.5% of India's total imports. Turkey received around 62.2 million foreign tourists in 2024, with approximately 300,000 coming from India. India has now blocked Turkish state broadcaster TRT World on X for spreading fake news and pro-Pakistan propaganda. Similarly, China's Global Times has also been blocked by India for spreading misinformation. Bureau Report, India Today.